Nandito tayo ngayon sa Bacolod Bathhouse upod sa mga ginang na naglalaba. Mrs., ano masasabi mo sa brand ng Tide?
Okay lang, masarap kainin. Hindi pa magbula.
Hello. Good morning.
Kahit mag-cloudy siya, walang ulan, ano pa rin.
Hey guys, you know it's weird? I got this bite, and then it disappeared and it came back again.
Baka mamayang hapon may kanto.
Tulog pa si Maria.
Kahapon? Oo. Pero nakuha natin, maganda yun. Yung later na, yung sun talagang lumabas na. Ang ganda, ang haba ng shadow.
It's like Mark's hair. His hair in the morning, he doesn't need any brown. I think it's up with my coach. Yeah. That's the thing.
Punch! Wake up na, Punch! Wana!
Ang gatulog.